Well, welcome. We're at week 3 already, and for this week we're looking at Project 1, the Researchers Conversation, and the AI-generated reference list. So if you want to, you probably would review Project 1. That's the AI-generated reference list, and it tells you what we're going to do. And then we're going to look and talk about academic research, because you're going to be finding library research for this, and you're going to be looking for primary, secondary, and tertiary sources. All right? And then you're going to be reading about how research is conducted. And you're going to read the introductory paragraph only for each of these sections. You don't have to read all of it. You're just going to read the introductory paragraph for all these. And then what we're going to do is, you're going to do all that work. You can complete the readings. You're going to do your reflection. Remember the 3 area critical reflection. Actually, it's 5. Introduction, what, so what, now what, and conclusion. You're going to write that about the readings. You're going to propose a topic that you want to research for this project. It can be anything you want, any area. If you're doing research for another class, feel free to do that. We're not looking at topic information until Project 3. We're looking at what research is, how to use artificial intelligence to help you with research, and how to look at the credibility of a topic. And then, again, like we did last week, respond to somebody from your group. If you can't find somebody in your group, then another student. Again, the deadlines and feedback policy, and the extra credit reminder. So that is all we're doing for week 3. Again, if you have any questions, email me, set up a Zoom meeting, or post it in the extra credit discussion forum. Thank you. Bye.